The recommended sentence facing him of 17 years in prison. Hello, everybody, and thank you very much for joining us on the WHAS 11 team. I'm Doug Proffitt. Right now at 11, we have brand new team coverage for you of the guilty verdict of Steve Lawson and his role in the Crystal Rogers murder. One big verdict, a decade in the making for the town of Bardstown, Kentucky. It only took the jurors in Bowling Green, Kentucky, 2 hours and 23 minutes to find Steve Lawson guilty. Conspiracy to commit the murder of Crystal Rogers and guilty of tampering with evidence in the case. Isaiah Kim Martinez was in the courtroom and has more from this emotional day.
Nearly 10 years since her daughter, Crystal Rogers, went missing, and emotional Sherry Ballard says the words, finally, after a seismic decision. A jury finding Steve Lawson guilty of helping coordinate a plan to kill Crystal. Detective John Snow, once the lead detective on this case, seen wiping away his tears moments after the judge read the guilty verdict. And moments before the jury made their sentencing recommendation, we heard from 21-year-old Tori Rogers, one of Crystal Rogers' daughters, who told the jury the family has missed so many milestones without their mother, their sister, their daughter, and in her case, her own mom will not be able to see her get married. For the defense, Steve Lawson's mother asked for mercy, saying, "I don't know why my son got involved in it. He's a good man. He's a good person." Lawson convicted despite a last-ditch effort to prove his innocence, himself taking the witness stand and testifying he knew nothing about a plan to murder Crystal. "Brooks asked me if I would move a car, and I said I would," Lawson said. The prosecutor asking, "Did you think you were giving Brooks Houck an opportunity to kill Crystal?" Lawson answering, "No, sir. I was just moving a vehicle." WHAS 11 legal analyst Nick Mudd says putting Lawson on the stand was a roll of the dice his attorney had to take.
And so I do think that at that point, you got nothing to lose. You get on the stand, you hope the jury feels sorry for you, you maybe minimize your role in it.
Did you believe Mr. Lawson's story?
That wasn't really a question of the case.
Our Shane McAllister speaking exclusively to one of the alternate jurors dismissed just before deliberations.
Do you think he had anything to do with the planning of the murder of Crystal Rogers?
I don't know.
But the 12 people still on the jury felt confident to convict Lawson, calling for a 17-year prison sentence with a judge set to make the final call in August. In Bowling Green, Isaiah Kim Martinez, WHAS 11 on your side.
As we next head to that sentencing date on August 6th, there may be a new twist in this case. Defense attorneys saying they plan to appeal. WHAS 11